Hello, Alg2 students. This is a video for example 6 for section 1.4. We're going to use what we've learned in this section to do some word problems. Let's hear the question.
A pyramid of cans is on display in a supermarket. The top row has 1 can, the second row has 2 cans, and the third row has 3 cans. If there are 10 rows of cans, how many total cans were used to make the pyramid?
Again, we could write that all down and figure it out because there's going to be 10 cans in the 10th row, so you just add up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we want to find out how to use the formula and whatnot. Might even be faster. Maybe not with 10 rows, but this is an arithmetic series because it's going up by 1 every time, so the common difference is 1. We know the first term, or the first value is 1 because it's 1 can at the top. And, well, we already know the 10th term is 10. This was a simpler case because it was adding 1 every time. We definitely want to use this formula when it becomes more complicated. And we've done this before. We've done this earlier in the chapter. Write an explicit formula. The 10th term equals the first term, 1, plus the last term, 10, divided by 2, 55. And this is just applying what we've already learned. Conclusion, why not? There's 55 cans on the display. Yep. I thought they were going to have us learn something new, but we're just applying what we've already learned. Let's look at their question for us to try.
A flight of stairs gets wider as it descends. The top stair is 15 bricks across. The second stair is 17 bricks across, and the third stair is 19 bricks across. What is the total number of bricks used in all 16 stairs?
Okay, so we want to think about what we know and what we don't know and how we can get to an answer based on what we know and we don't know. So I'm going to give it a shot. Go ahead and click pause and give it a shot. Come on back. All right, I know that the first one is 15. The second one doesn't necessarily help me, and the third one doesn't help me because I'd like to know what the last one is, but I don't know the last one. But I do know there's 16 stairs, so I know the number of terms is 16. We don't know a sub n. And the other value that we often wonder about or we use is d, the common difference. And we do know that one. We can figure it out because if it's 15 for the first, 17 for the second, and 19 for the third, I can see it's going up by 2 every time. So the common difference is 2. But I can't use my formula for the sum yet. I'll write it over here. I can't use this formula yet because I would need to know I know the term, and I would need to know the first term. I know the number of terms, I know the first term, but I don't know the last term. So that's what we want to figure out. The last term, we're still going to use the same formula, equals the first term plus the common difference times n minus 1. Well, we know n is 16, so if you don't mind, instead of writing 16 minus 1, I'm going to write 15, because 16 minus 1 is 15. So this is 30, and this is 15. 15 plus 30 is 45. So I think there's 45 stairs, or 45 bricks for the 16th stair. 45. So this is a 45 plus 45. Whoops, I forgot to rewrite the other things we know with their numbers. So let me change color for that. Hopefully you can still see what I'm doing. The nth term, there were 16 stairs. And the first stair had 15 bricks. And then I'm going to divide by 2, right? The formula we've been using. 15 plus 45 is 60. 60 times 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8, so 8 times 60. Oh, I don't need a calculator for this. 8 times 6 is 48, so 8 times 60 is going to be 480. 480. Let's see how I did. 480. 480. There were 480 bricks used for all 16 stairs. And that's it. Let's see what problems your teacher could assign to you. 16, 31 to 34, 37 and 38. That's it for this video. Have a great day.